You want to say hi to your granddaddy? Say hi, granddaddy. Hi.
Can you wave?
Say, come and see me soon. Ooh, what's the pouty lip for?
Can you talk?
Can you say something? Say, I love you, granddaddy. I love you. Come see me when you get back. Yeah. Say, come see me.